So today I'm about to show you how to completely fix Google Docs typing lag, freezing screens, delayed letters, and random slowdowns that make writing feel impossible. Now if your words appear seconds late, your documents keeps hanging, or Google Docs suddenly feels heavy and broken. This isn't your internet, and most of the time it's not your computer either. It's hidden settings, extensions, cache buildup, document overload, and sync issues stacking together. And once you fix them properly, Google Docs becomes smooth again. Stick with me because the first fix alone fixes the problem for most people, but the later ones completely future-proof your docs so it never happens again. Let's start with the fastest fix that removes lag in under 30 seconds. First, open your Google Doc, click File, and make a copy. Open the copied version. This clears background corruption that causes freezing. Now, test your typing. Most lag disappears immediately. If it's still slow, the next fix removes the biggest hidden cause of freezing. First, click Tools, then Spelling and Grammar. Turn off Show Grammar Suggestions as well as Show Spelling Suggestions. These constantly scan your document in real time and slow typing badly in large files. Now, go to View and click Show Outline. Turn it off if enabled. This also eats performance in long docs. Now, let's fix the browser itself. This is where most lag truly comes from. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data. Select Cache Images and Files, as well as Cookies. Clear data, restart browser. This removes corrupted sync files that slow documents down. If freezing still happens, extensions are usually the culprit. Go to your browser extensions page, temporarily turn off grammar tools, PDF converters, note tools, add heavy extensions. Reload Google Docs, test typing again. If speed returns, re-enable one by one later. Now, let's fix document size issues that silently break performance. If your doc is over 30 pages, heavy with images, tables, imported text, create multiple smaller docs instead of one massive file. Link them with headings or master index doc. This keeps docs sliding fast permanently. There's one more hidden sync issues that causes freezing spikes. First, click Settings in Google Docs, disable offline access unless you absolutely need it. This constantly syncs background data and causes lag for many users. Now, let's lock in smooth performance forever. From now on, keep docs under 30 pages, avoid heavy extensions, clear cache monthly, turn off real-time grammar tools when writing, split long projects. This keeps Google Docs running like new. You now fix corrupted documents, heavy live tools, browser cache slowdowns, extension conflicts, large file lag, background sync freezing, which together cause almost all Google Docs typing problems. Now, with a hidden Google account sync fix most users don't know, go to drive.google.com, click the gear icon, then select Settings. Turn off offline, as well as backup and sync if enabled. Refresh the page. This clears stuck sync loops that freeze docs instantly. Now, let's fix font loading, massive lag source. In your Google Doc, click Font drop-down and select More Fonts. Remove any fonts you never use. Large font libraries load every time you type, slowing input badly. Stick to 2 to 3 main fonts for speed. Next is image overload, even invisible ones. From your keyboard, press Ctrl and letter A, then delete content. Paste into a brand new doc using Paste Without Formatting. This strips hidden embedded junk left from imports. Your doc becomes clean and fast again. Now, let's stabilize browser memory permanently. In browser settings, click on System and select Turn on Hardware Acceleration. Restart browser. This offloads processing to your GPU and smooths typing instantly. Right? You just fixed drive sync loops, font load lag, hidden content bloat, memory handling, which are the main advanced causes of docs freezing. Now, your Google Docs isn't just fixed, it's optimized. You removed the hidden slowdowns that most people never catch. You cleaned sync conflicts, and you boosted how your browser handles large documents. So with the single biggest long document performance boost, click File, select Page Setup, choose Pageless. This removes page rendering lag completely. Your cursor becomes instantly responsive in long docs. Next is a distraction-free speed trick pros use. So first, go to View, turn off Show Ruler, Show Document Outline, and show comments when not needed. Less visuals, faster performance. Now, let's fix revision history slowdown. Click on File, select Version History. Delete unnecessary saved versions. Heavy history stacks slow real-time typing. Now, we lock in ultra smooth long-term performance. When working on big projects, use Pageless, disable live tools, split chapters, clean history monthly, keep fonts minimal. This keeps docs blazing fast permanently. You now unlock lag-free long document writing, instant cursor response, clean version history, and minimal rendering load. Basically turning Google Docs into a high-performance editor. Alright, with the biggest collaboration lag trigger, when too many people are editing at once, Google Docs tracks every cursor, syncs every change in real time, and renders all comments instantly. How to fix it? Ask teammates to use suggesting mode instead of editing live, or work in time blocks. This massively reduces freezing. Next, we fix comment overload. Click comment icon, select resolve finished threads. Thousands of comments, real-time lag. Clean docs, faster syncing. Now let's remove background tracking. Go to Google account, select data and privacy, and from the options, click app activity. Turn off unnecessary activity tracking as well as background doc usage. These reduce live sync pressure. Next is document size control. Instead of one giant doc, create chapter docs, section docs, master index doc. Link them together. Google Docs runs dramatically faster this way. Now, we optimize sharing permissions. Too many viewers will create load. Remove unused collaborators. Limit access to active users only. This stabilizes performance. You just eliminated collaboration overload, comment rendering lag, background sync pressure, oversized document freezes, which are the #1 causes of long-term docs slow down. Now you've fully optimized Google Docs, not just fixed it. Typing stays instant even in huge projects. Freezing disappears and your workflow stays smooth long-term. If this series helped you work faster, tap like, subscribe for more speed hacks, tech fixes, AI workflows, and productivity upgrades. Drop a comment and the next app you want to fix. I'll see you on the next one.